LTI Mindtree bags 3,000 crore rupees CBDT Insight 2.0 project, 7-year AI-led tax analytics deal. LTI Mindtree has secured a major long-term government contract after being awarded the 3,000 crore rupee Insight 2.0 project by the Central Board of Direct Taxes. The engagement spans 7 years and focuses on modernizing India's tax analytics and compliance framework using artificial intelligence, data engineering, and advanced analytics platforms. The Insight 2.0 program is designed as a next-generation data and intelligence platform for India's income tax administration. It aims to enhance the ability of tax authorities to detect tax evasion, improve compliance monitoring, and enable more data-driven decision-making across assessments, investigations, and enforcement activities. For LTI Mindtree, this deal represents one of the largest public sector digital transformation contracts awarded to an Indian services firm in recent years. The multi-year nature of the engagement provides long-term revenue visibility and helps build a predictable annuity-style revenue stream over the contract duration. From a business perspective, government contracts of this scale typically involve complex system integration, large data volumes, and continuous platform upgrades. This creates opportunities not just in initial development but also in ongoing operations, analytics enhancements, and system optimization over several years. The project is expected to leverage artificial intelligence and advanced analytics to process vast datasets related to income filings, financial transactions, and compliance patterns. By using AI-driven insights, tax authorities can improve accuracy, reduce manual intervention, and increase the efficiency of tax administration across the country. Strategically, this win strengthens Mindtree's credentials in handling mission-critical national digital infrastructure projects. Successful execution of Insight 2.0 could open doors for additional government and public sector engagements, both in India and in other emerging markets exploring similar tax modernization initiatives. The deal also aligns well with Mindtree's broader focus on data platforms, cloud-native architectures, and enterprise AI solutions. Public sector digital programs increasingly demand the same sophistication as large enterprise systems, and this project places LTI Mindtree at the center of that shift. In terms of financial impact, while revenues from such contracts are typically recognized over time, the sheer size of the deal enhances the company's order book and revenue visibility. Over a 7-year horizon, it provides stability during periods when private sector discretionary spending may remain volatile. Execution, however, will be closely watched. Government technology programs come with challenges such as scale, security, data privacy, and integration with legacy systems. Meeting delivery milestones and maintaining system reliability will be critical to sustaining margins and reputation. Another important aspect is the policy and governance dimension. As tax systems become more data-driven, platforms like Insight 2.0 play a central role in shaping compliance behavior, reducing leakages, and improving trust in tax administration. Limit-Mindtree's role as a technology partner places it at the heart of this transformation. From an industry standpoint, the award highlights how Indian services companies are increasingly participating in large domestic digital governance projects, not just export-driven outsourcing. This diversification can help reduce dependence on global demand cycles over the long term. The project also underscores the growing role of artificial intelligence in public administration. AI-led analytics platforms are becoming essential tools for governments worldwide, and India's adoption at this scale could set benchmarks for other countries. Risks remain around execution timelines, scope changes, and regulatory expectations, which are inherent in large public sector programs. However, the long-term nature of the contract allows for phased implementation and iterative improvement, reducing one-time delivery pressure. Overall, the 3,000 crore rupee Insight 2.0 contract marks a significant milestone for LTI-Mindtree. It reinforces the company's positioning in large-scale data and AI platforms, enhances long-term revenue visibility, and strengthens its standing as a trusted partner for complex, national-level digital transformation initiatives.